The waters of the Pacific Northwest can be moody and tumultuous, crashing into the rocky shoreline as the tide rushes in. So the last thing I expected to find inside the cold, angry waters of Thor's well, a pair of shorebirds. Struggling to break free of the crashing surf inside this collapsed sea cave, these poor little guys appear to be trapped. Or are they? These are pelagic cormorants, and foraging for food in these rocky, dangerous waters is actually their specialty. They are often found in heavy surf on rocky Pacific coastlines, hunting for fish, crabs, marine worms, and even algae. These crazy cormorants are able to dive as deep as 138 feet and hold their breath for up to a whopping 2 minutes. And they can even spring straight out of the water and into the air to fly. Here's a gross fun fact about pelagic cormorants. They use their own guano to help hold their nest together and secure it to the cliffs. Yuck! They're not social like their other cormorant cousins, preferring to hunt alone or in pairs. So don't be surprised if you see these daredevils fishing in some wildly hazardous places.